In Acapulco, I never met anybody that was a physicist or a mathematician. So when I was going to go to university, I was just looking at possible degrees, and I was going to be a philosopher because it was the most logical thing for me to do. Nevertheless, when I saw the career physicists and the subjects and so on, I decided I was going to give it a try because I would love that, to do that for a living. I had to express myself in another language. So everything I knew, I have to think it over in different ways. So that taught me even more about science, to try to be more well-defined in what I was trying to explain. So, it comes together, the process of the math gives you sort of a tool to explain, but also the language, because in physics there is a lot of intuition that develops with knowledge and reading. So both things were evolving at the same time, the math and the concepts, and it was fascinating. I remember mostly that I've been perturbed about not understanding. That really bothered me, that there was no one around to explain me well. The sunset colors, nobody will tell me why they were there or anything like that. But my curiosity, the part I remember very nicely is when I was stealing watches of everybody in my house and put them in my pocket. So I will have a little angel in my bedroom where you can hide them in at the top of my bed. So when my sisters were asleep, I will bring it down and go to the bathroom and open them up, all the machines, and try to put them back together. They were all not automatic, manual watches. So that was really a lot of fun. So everybody will ask, where is my watch? And I would be very silent about it and never reveal it. And then many years passed. And then when I was like a teenager, I discovered all these watches. They were all accumulated there. And I laugh a lot. This is my secret. So if science is an interest, I definitely advise young people to try it, and they will have a lot of joy.